Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now today we are going to discuss one more interesting concept, that is de Broglie's hypothesis, or it is also called as de Broglie's hypothesis, and about the de Broglie's matter waves. Okay, so as we discussed earlier that wave has dual nature. Dual nature means wave possesses the particle nature as well as the wave nature. So since the wave can possess both the nature, so why shouldn't particle? So first time de Broglie, he considered that particle should also having dual nature. So particle must be exist as a particle and it must exist as a wave. So according to his concept, when a particle it is moving, a wave associated with that particle it is also moving, means that wave it is surrounded with by the that particle is always surrounded by the waves, and in any direction if it is moving, the waves they are always associating with that particle, and that waves are called as matter waves. Okay, so particle also should have the wave nature. Okay, so according to him, if particle of mass m it is moving with velocity v, then in wave nature what should be the wavelength of the wave? So he gave one relation between the wavelength and this mass and velocity. So according to de Broglie, the wavelength of the wave that is associated with that particle, it is lambda is equals to h divided by p. P means mass into velocity, linear momentum. So h Planck's constant divided by linear momentum of the particle will give you the wavelength of the wave, matter wave. Okay, so this is the simple concept he put forward. That means if wave has dual nature, so as to for same concept for the particles also. So the waves which are associated, which are always accompanied by a particle, that waves are called as a matter wave. So matter is also can be found in a wave nature. Okay, so from this there are some more relations are there as shown here. See here, for a particle of mass m moving with velocity v, the kinetic energy can be given as kinetic energy, it is represented here Ek. So we know that kinetic energy formula 1/2 mv square. So substitute the value and find first the velocity value. So we will change this equation to find the v. So Ek is equals to 1/2 mv square. So v square is equals to 2 Ek divided by m. So what is v? It is v square. So what is v? Square root of 2 Ek divided by m. So this is the value of velocity. Okay. So when we apply the de Broglie's concept, that is lambda is equals to, what is lambda according to him? H divided by m into v. So we just calculated here velocity. So we substitute here the value of velocity by inverting, because it is 1/m into v. So velocity is in inverse, so we have to invert the equation. So write it h upon m, and by inverting we will write square root of m divided by 2 into Ek. So solve it and write in simplification format. It is equals to h divided by square root of 2 Ek. Okay, so this is the value of wavelength lambda. So in the format of energy also we can represent the wavelength of the wave, matter wave. Okay, now for a charged particle of charge q, if we consider the particle having charge q, then how it goes? So if suppose charge on the particle is q, accelerated from the rest, means initial it is at the rest and now it is accelerating through a potential difference of v. So potential difference when we apply, then only the particle, charged particle will accelerate. So potential difference v, then work done according to our electrostatic concept, work done it is q into v. Charge into potential difference will give you work done. So this provides the necessary kinetic energy. That means kinetic energy and work done both are related. So work done here it is converted into the kinetic energy. So Ek is equals to Q into V. So in above equation, if we substitute the value of kinetic energy Ek, we will get the lambda. Wavelength of the charged particle lambda can be given as h upon square root of 2m Ek, or it can be written as h divided by 2m Q into V. Okay, now observe here, if we are considering for the electron, so for an electron which is moving through a potential difference of V, we will observe that there are the constant quantities that are Planck's constant, it remains, then mass of the electron Me, it also remains the same, then charge on the electron E 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, it is also remains the same for the charged particle, and V only the factor which is changeable. So here if we substitute the value and calculate all constants, then we will get a final result that lambda can be calculated as 1.228 divided by square root of V, where V should be in volts. Okay, so this is the condition, V should be measured in the volts, then it is applicable. Okay, so we can calculate the wavelength for normal particle from its velocity and wavelength of charged particle by its charge or potential difference V. So here he gave this phenomenal contribution regarding the matter waves. Okay, so the waves which are associated with the moving particle, and keep in mind these waves are only present when the particle is in motion. At rest position the particle is only particle. So whenever particle is moving, then the waves that are moving with the particle, that waves are surrounded by the particle, these waves are called as a matter waves. And here arises the uncertainty principle. I give the only brief idea because in later lecture we will continue with the detailed concept of the uncertainty. Uncertainty means what? There are number of waves which are associated with the moving particle, matter waves, and exactly where the particle is situated we can't determine because it has a different position that is not definable, it has different or undefined velocity, so we cannot determine the exact position for the particle. So this gives rise for the uncertainty principle. So from this de Broglie hypothesis we will move in the uncertainty principle in the next topic. Okay, so hope you understand this wave matter, okay, that particles dual nature, and if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment here, I will explain. If you like our videos, share it and subscribe our channel.